Alright, here we have Rakkyo. In Japanese it's Rakkyo. They're some sort of onion garlic cousin. And I think they were grown in our garden and we were just throwing them away. We probably only found about 20 or 30 of them, but still, we should have kept them. And you peel them, and we throw all the scraps in there, and then we'll sterilize jars, and we'll pickle them with a liquid. We could have made it, I guess, but it wasn't too expensive to buy the pre-made liquid. I'll try to make another clip of that, and then we'll have sort of pickled things to eat for months. I mean, these will have one or two a day, last a couple months probably. So this is very fun. First time we've gotten it from our Japanese aunt before, but not done it ourselves. Well, here's about 1,000 grams of Rakkyo, and that takes up with the liquid about 2 liters, it looks like, doesn't it? We still have a little less than half of this special vinegar that you buy, Rakkyo vinegar. So I'm thinking maybe, I don't really want to do more today, but next week or later this week do it again. Another 1,000 grams. And maybe buy a small bottle, a 1 liter. And that'll have us full of Rakkyo. So it's a pretty good success today. Good experiment.